let's take a look at my new rig, new build for editing and gaming. Check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. It's so good to be posting again, and it's even better to be sharing some more stuff with you guys. And in this video, I'm gonna be sharing my newest addition to the studio slash office here, which is this brand new rig you see right behind me. So let's take a look at what the components, how the build went out, and a little bit of eye candy goodness for you guys in the end. So check it out. Alright, so I do apologize for the kind of temporary setup that I have going on here. There's still a lot of work happening here. I'm still redoing a few things around the studio and the office. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to be doing a full studio office tour video once everything is completed. So definitely check it out. And here in this channel, I am talking about smart home technology and cool tech that you can get for your gaming setup or even for your office or home in general. So if you're into that, you definitely want to check it out more videos. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and clicking on the bell so that you get notified every time a new video comes out. So if you've enjoyed the video and the build, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'm also curious to see your setup. So if you have a link, some pictures, Instagram, Twitter, make sure to drop them right there in the description below, and now we'll be checking it out. Also, links to all of the products and all of the components on the computer will be listed in the description in case you want to see more. So with that being said, that wraps it up for today. And until next time, I'm Dial. Thank you so much, guys. See ya.